So guys, for the first step to fix this problem, we're going to head over to search and type in run, and then click on it. Once you're on the run box, we're going to type in Regedit and click on enter, and then click on yes. Once you're on registry editor, we're going to click on HKey classes root. You can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here as well. So once we click on HKey classes root, we're going to expand it. Then we're going to click on any folder just once, and then click on D on our keyboard, which will take us down, and we're going to look for directory, which is right here. So we're going to expand this. Once we expand directory, we're going to click on background, we're going to expand that. Then we're going to expand shellex. Then we're going to expand ContextMenuHandlers. Once you're on this, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. You might have some folders right here that start with IGFX. I'm going to put it on screen right now. I'm going to put two examples of the folders that you might be having over here. So if you have any of these folders or anything else that starts with IGFX, you want to delete the folder. So just click on it and then click on your delete key. I've already done it for myself, so that's why it doesn't show for me. But for you, you do it. Now for the second step, we're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Once you're on Task Manager, you want to look for Windows Explorer. You might need to scroll down to find it, but once you find it, you want to click on it and then click on Restart Task. Now once you do that, restart your computer, then the problem should be fixed.